Soumya Srikumar is a South Indian actress and dancer who has appeared in Malayalam films, television series and plays. She is most famous for her role as Mandodari on television sitcom Marimayam. She has 15 years of experience as a dancer in dance styles such as Mohiniyattam, Kuchipudi, Kathakali, Ottantullal and Bharatanatyam. Soumya was born on May 9, 1986 in Kumbalam, Ernakulam. Soumya attended St. Antonio High School in Ernakulam for her primary and high school education, followed by Maharajas College in Ernakulam to earn a bachelor's degree in Malayalam, then earned a master's degree in philosophy of performing arts at Mahatma Gandhi University in Kerala and a PhD in Karadin Theatre Studies from the University of Sri Sankaracharya in Sanskrit. She also holds a master's degree in philosophy of performing arts from Mahatma Gandhi University in Kerala. It was made in Kathakali by Kalamandalam E. Vasudevan, Ottantullal from Kalamandalam Prabhakaran, Mohiniyattam from Nirmala Panikkar. She started her career with the acclaimed television series Marimayam.